as in duty bound. Honestly and faithfully. Serve in the regular army. Of the Union of India. And go wherever ordered. By land. Sea. Or air. And that. I will observe and obey. All commands. Of the President. Of the Union of India. And the commands of any officer set over me, even to the peril of my life.